Pops is with us on the trip. Moms and Pops, look at that, babe. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Queen shot.
Slots.
Baby, I just got the bonus on the 10-cent D-Knob. Dropped that mini in. $100. Let's see what we got. You ready?
Ready.
Oh, don't do me like that. Oh, hell no.
It's off that rapid fire. Snap, snap.
Snap. Oh, they did me wrong, but they did me good. But they did me wrong.
Good time.
Oh my gosh, guys. Couple spins in again. I actually had a phenomenal line hit to pay me about $47. And then I just got the bonus again. So let's see what it does this time. Ready? Here we go. Oh, baby, make it big. Give me that major. Major, 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 major. Ooh, please line them up. Please line them up. Please. Please line them up. Don't be like that. It's about time for some balls to drop. Okay, we got queens. We're gonna speed that up, cause come on, baby, line them up. Ooh, cards! Oh, got the cards. Add a D on it. Put some D's on that. Just bought a Cadillac. All right, yeah. All right, we have $40 so far, and it's counting kind of fast. All right, $47. Speed her up. Come on, baby. Give me the balls. No. Line it up. Best for last, best for last, best for last. Oh, got them nines though. All right, what did we end up with? $51. Oh my goodness, we're over $100, guys. What? What? I put $35 in this machine. This is amazing. All right, we're gonna back up spin it. Ooh, 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 get that. One more. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Babe, I am on fire right now. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, baby. All right, that's a $10 hit. Come on, let's do it again. Let's do it again. I'm hyperventilating up in here right now. Go. Oh, I got the cars. Oh, them wheels ain't spinning on that fifth one. No. That's still a win though, baby. 480. Okay. Backup spinning. I've done so many backup spins. We're just gonna spin it. Come on. Okay, last one, guys. Ready? Here we go. Oh, you saw those coins go by. Did we earn another spin? Probably not. Probably not. Yes, we did. Let's go. Go, go, go. Did we get another spin? Nope. All right, we'll be back, guys. On another machine, we are going for that major right there. That's the one we want. $820.96, baby. Let's see if we can get it. Here we go. Come on, major. It's $2 bet on 2-cent D-Knob. Come on, baby. Don't do us like this. Don't you dare. You know what to do. Not that. You're a son of a. You are a son of a. Goat mouth. Just a goat mouth. I can't believe you did me like that. No balls? All right, I'm gonna back up spin you, bro, and you better do something better than that. You hear me? Here we go. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. Oh, heck no.
Let me see.
Oh my gosh, we'll take it to 50. Wow. One. Few spins later, and we got the bonus again. Let me get this phone situated, man. This is kind of hard to hold. Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh man, I hate picking. You know what? I'm gonna go against my judgment. I'm gonna go against it. 100 wilds though. That could be good. Come on, make those line up, baby. Make them line up. Line them up. Oh yeah.
Don't move like that.
I know, huh? Give myself a hernia. Or is it hemorrhoid?
Them wilds went by fast.
Man, they hating right now. Oh my gosh. Re-trigger. Oh yeah. Yeah. Is that another 6 games? It better not be 3. 6, baby. 6. I've never re-triggered on this, so I don't know.
Yep.
Yes. Come on, make it count now. Oh, make it count. Oh, make it count. Oh, Lord Jesus. Come on. Oh, okay, we got turtles though, but they didn't give us all of our dudes. Come on, baby. Are you over there killing? Pops is with us on the trip. Moms and Pops, look at that, babe. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Queen Show! On 2 cents! That's some $4 of lines in there. $2 a line. Babe. Wapola. Look, I told you I was trying to join the club with you, Pops. We getting that money at 7 cents a day. Yeah. I don't even know yet. I ain't touching nothing. I'm just gonna dance to the music. Hey. I'm trying to get that major right there. Oh my goodness, I want it so bad. Come on. Hey, we had over $100 for this bonus so far. This hit is over $100. Wow. Wowza snowza. What? I am flabbergasted. How many more spins do I have?
You're at 9 of 12.
9 of 12? Oh my goodness gracious. Do that again, please. Do that again. Woo! They didn't give me all of them. That is so cold. Wow, I cannot believe I re-triggered on this bad boy, man. That really helped a lot. We're over 150. We are over 150. We're on our way to 160 right now. And 160, baby. Yes. Babe.
Wow.
Do you believe? Do you believe? Okay, we got a 5 of a kind in there. Come on. Let's do best for last. Let's do a full screen of wilds. Because I know it can do it. It can do a full screen of wilds. And I have no idea what that pays, but I definitely want to see it right now. But not today. All right, what is that? $168.40, guys. All right, we're gonna back up spin it. Here we go. Oh, we're still chasing that that major. All right, let's take it to 200. Come on, get it. Woo! We can do it. Come on, do it. I saw your face go by, man. Don't tease me like that. Come on. Oh, those are big numbers. That was $30 a piece. I would have loved to have gotten that. All right, we got one more spin, guys. Ready? Here we go. Get it. All right, we'll be back.
Got the game. Whatever this game is called. Let's go. 18 games, 1. See what it do. Come on. Come on, Roses. Get this slot and go. Oh. Come on. Oh. I don't know what that is, but get it. Get it. it just turned into something. It wasn't even on the same symbol. Do it again. Ooh, so, ooh. Why? Why? Let's bring that. Dead spin. Oh, stop. Oh, 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 oh. Or something. Okay. Stop. Got the bonus. See what we get. Come on, fill it up, baby. Oh no. Yes. Bigger numbers. Come on. Woo. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Come on, fill it up. And then a multiplier. Oh. Last one. Come on, fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Oh, snaps. Let's go here. Nope. Dang it. That's all we need, right? Come on. Do it, do it! Oh. I don't know what this is. I'm playing like a quarter machine. About to spin this wheel. Come on, baby. What'd you get? You don't be trying to beat my bonus. I'm playing quarters. Come on. Times 8. Come on. Times 5. Yes. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh my gosh. What? Is it 50 times? What is that? Baby, that 250? Yes, that's 62.50. Next spin, I got it again. Oh my gosh, yes. Let's see what it does. Do something big. Come on. Times 8. I'm sorry again. Go, go. Times something. Oh my gosh. Why did you do times 28? Times 8. 8 times 30. 240. A little under what I got last time. Hey, but that's still 67. I got the bonus on this Monopoly. Let's see what it does. Oh, what the question mark is. Oh, keep going. Oh, question mark. Chance.
Chance, respect.
What does that mean? Oh, yes. Please. Please. Do that. Do that. Keep going. Keep going. Give me at least 6. 7 would be awesome. Come on. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh, stop, stop. What are you doing? 78.
That's what I'm talking about.
That was a lovely bonus.